Steve checking his time. He's got places to be, people to see. He's got a big important meeting. Just a little bit.
Looking at the weather.
Oh.
See these clouds? I'm like,
Steve had to make sure it wasn't going to rain on him on the way home. There was a cloud over there.
I'm gonna park in his garage and take me home.
Steve's spending the night. You got a new roommate for the day. Real quick, we're about to wrap this portion of it up, but HPO, Justin, Horsepower Obsessed, a good friend of ours.
Save the manuals.
Save the manuals. As a matter of fact, he called right before we were starting this video, so I got to call him back. But go follow him if you don't, which I assume you probably do if you're watching this. But if you don't, you should definitely go follow him. Anyway, we are going to move on to the next segment. This is the new ACS front splitter. Darren, you want to talk about it?
Yeah, so it's the 1VM. I think they've had it out for just a couple months. Similar to the 5VM, I think the length that it sticks out is very similar. The 5VM may be a little bit more aggressive as far as how much comes out. The biggest difference is the little winglet fin. The 5VM probably has, a much more steeper angle to it, but in my application, I was kind of more seeking that sleek design. And as we talked about earlier, I do not plan to do the side skirts.
Right.
So I just wanted to keep it simple and pretty much just replace the factory ones, which that's a part obviously GM could have done a lot better on. But kudos to ACS to come out with maybe a better solution than what GM came out with, anyways. But
leave it to GM to put some plastic on the front of it.
Yeah, I mean, everything else they do awesome. They give you this, kind of flat plastic piece. But yeah, so I got this a couple days ago. The shipping time was super quick. I think it took 5 days to get it. They ship it in that big box over there,
right here,
all wrapped up.
I've never seen anybody do a better job of packaging than ACS.
When that box showed up, I was like, holy cow. Yeah, I didn't think it was going to be that big. But then you think about it, right? It's one single piece. And obviously you don't want it getting cracked or bent.
And one of the most important parts is look at the quality of the carbon flash. There's no blemishes.
Yeah, and it's a little dusty right now. We'll dust it off once we get it on.
Right.
I did, I ceramic coated it real quick.
Oh, okay.
Just for the heck of it. That will make it easier to keep it clean. From what we can tell, installation should take us just a handful of minutes. I think it's just literally we're going to undo the, 15 or 16 bolts and bolt it back on.
So let's this is the before right here with the GM plastic front splitter, and we will do a final product after we do the install. We'll compare to see what it looks like. So basically you have all these little bolts.
Yeah, they're T15s, I believe.
T15 bolts, and there's about 15 or 16 of them in here.
Yeah, it's just going to be a direct replacement. We're going to unscrew them and put the new one back on.
I mean, how much easier can you get, in all honesty?
Yeah, the hardest part is getting up your car high enough to
exactly.
Get to it. So
you got these little
get a little creative
engineered
with some scrap wood.
Exactly. Thank your neighbor.
Exactly.
So we're going to unscrew these and put this new splitter on. Man, I think especially in this perfect daylight that we have right now, you can really see how nice it looks. There's nothing like filming in the dusk. Everything looks so much better. Steve checking his time. He's got places to be, people to see. He's got a big important meeting.
Oh,
Just
I'm
a little
actually
bit.
looking at the weather.
Oh.
See these clouds? I'm like,
Steve had to make sure it wasn't going to rain on him on the way home. There was a cloud over there.
I'm gonna park in his garage and take me home.
Steve's spending the night. You got a new roommate for the day. There's a cloud, but yeah, I don't think it's going to rain. But man, that looks really good.
Yeah, total different look to it.
Well, I think it's another win for ACS. So that's going to do it for now. But man, look at this thing. I've got to get some pictures out in this light. There's just no better time to take pictures than in the evening, I swear. So in love with this car. Hello. Anyway, that's going to wrap it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Enjoy this view a little bit more. And we will see you in the next upload.